Hello. So today we'll discuss one question from CAT 2020 slot 2, that is more over related to average. Right. So the question is more over related to average. We'll directly move to the question. So it's given in a group of 10 students, the mean of the lowest score is 42 while the mean of the highest 9 scores is 47. For the entire group of 10 people, the maximum possible mean exceeds the minimum possible mean by. So it's a basic calculation based question, but we'll have to do a little bit of observation in this. So let's try to observe something. So my first condition given is nothing but 10 students are there. Let's mark these students for the time being. Let's consider the students are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Right, they are the students available here. While the mean of the highest 9 score, the mean of the lowest 9 score is 42 while the mean of the highest 9 score is 47. So here if we'll identify, let's say this is the least one and this is the highest score available, assume. So this person has a least score available and this person has the highest score available. Now you can identify the difference here, that is the difference between the highest and the least one is supposed to be nothing but 45. Right, why? Let's try to identify this. Right, so here my condition is, if I will take, suppose these 9 people, right, so the average in this case is nothing but 42. So the total for these 9 people will be nothing but 42 into 9, or else let's calculate this one. $378. But if we'll consider the total for these 9 people here, the total for these 9 is 47 into 9, so 63. Let's consider, right, 36, right, 423. Now the difference between these two is how much? That's nothing but 45, right? So I can say this is 45. In other sense, I could have told that the average here is 42, the average here is 47, the average difference is 5, and each group has 9 people, so the total difference should be nothing but 9 into 5 or else 45. That's a basic calculation here, right? So we could have also utilized this thing here. The average difference is 5, definitely total difference will be nothing but 45, and the total difference is due to these two people, right, the one with the lowest score and the one with the highest score, because the remaining people are constant in this case, right? So that will be nothing but 45 here. Now here I'll take the first scenario where the average is 42. So let's mark the score of these people are nothing but 42 itself. So I'll mark 42, 42, 42. I'll mark the 9 people, score is 42. 42, 42 and 42. Let's mark. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I'll mark these people as, for the time being, I'll mark them as A B C D E F G H I, and let's consider J here. Now G score, suppose if G score is 42, that means the average will be 42, but the score is how much? 45 more than this figure, right? So also we can say J's score will be nothing, but in this scenario it's 42 plus 45. So now what I'll do, I'll distribute this 45 in 10 equal parts, right? So if I'll distribute this 45 in 10 equal parts, then each and every value will increase by how much? 4.5, right? Can I say now each and every score is supposed to be nothing but 46.5 in this case, or else that's nothing but my new average score here, right? So that's nothing but the new average score. So I can say the average score maximum here can be nothing but 46.5. that can be my maximum score possible. The same logic is applicable if I'll consider the second condition. That's nothing but the average weight is 47, average score is 47 here, average weight is 47 here. So let's consider the score of these 9 people as 47. So let's consider this one as 47, 47, 47, 47. I'll consider each and every score as 47, excluding the first one, right? Now why I'm considering 47? Because the average score is nothing but 47 here. So if I'm assuming that each and every score is 47, that means the average score will be 47. Suppose this fellow A have also scored 47, that means the overall average is supposed to be nothing but 47. But I know that the difference between the lowest score and the highest score is 45. So this is supposed to be how much? 45 lesser than this figure. If it's 45 lesser than this figure, so I have to distribute this 45 in 10 equal parts. So I should have given 4.5, also I should have taken out 4.5 from each and every score, as we have done in the previous case. Suppose I am taking 4.5 here, so 47 minus 4.5 will be how much? Now let's take the value. So here if we'll take 47 minus 4.5, it is supposed to be nothing but 42.5, because I'm reducing it by 4.5. So the new average score here is supposed to be 42.5. That is my minimum score possible. And what they have asked? They have asked the difference between maximum and minimum. So maximum is nothing but 46.5 and this figure is 42.5. The difference is nothing but 4. My answer is supposed to be nothing but 4. That's all for today. Thanks for joining us.